add and manage team members for your TimeLock documentation apps, log into the web dashboard and look for the My Team section on the right. Any current team members will appear here, along with an indication of how many licenses you've used or are available for your subscription plan. To add someone, click the plus at the top of the Add Team box. Enter their name, email address, and choose a member type to set their permission levels. The member level is for typical employees. They can create documents and add comments to or sign off on certifications. They can't delete or edit existing information and don't get dashboard access. Read-only users can comment on and sign off on certificates but can't create them. Otherwise, they can view everything but can't edit or delete information. They get dashboard access but can't add team members. Sub-admin users have dashboard access and can add team members. They can create projects, locations, and certifications, as well as sign off on them, but they can't edit account details or payment information. Full admins can change anything in the system, including setting up new apps, updating payment details, and adding team members. Once you've selected their access level, assign the team member a secure password. Now, choose which products you'd like them to have access to while using the Field app. When you're ready, click Submit to create the user. If you'd like to divide your team into groups, you can click the plus in the bottom left and create a new application group. Give your new group a name, then click Add. You can use the drop-down on the left to change which application group you're viewing. Once your team starts using the app, clicking the time log link at the top lets you view time entries from the Field app and download them as a spreadsheet. Make sure to monitor and delete this sheet after pay period's end to keep it current. This can also be used as a backup for labor tracking of installations and work. To make an entry in the Field app, click Log Time on the home page. Workers can input entries here based on their permission levels. Members can only view their entries. Admins and sub-admins can view all entries and also add vendors right from the mobile app when they're on site. With the TimeLock documentation system, all data syncs across iPhone, iPad, Android, and the web, so your data is always up to date and secure. For more information, visit timelockdocs.com.